Hello friends, how to clean up asset in your WordPress website. So guys, if you want to speed up and you want to page speed booster, so search this plugin asset cleanup page speed booster. This is a very famous and popular 1300 plus 5-star ranking and 1 lakh plus active installation. So this is a very famous and popular plugin. Make your website load faster by preventing specific scripts and styles from loading on page or post and home page. So search this plugin, active and install and try to use. If you have any problem to use this plugin, so comment. I will create a new video about how to use this plugin. So thanks for watching and please check out my WordPress plugin playlist. WordPress plugin playlist. There are some good and useful plugin for WordPress. So check out my playlist. Thanks for watching and show your love by subscribing my channel.